Go to the ball?
You're a servant, girl.
Maybe I can alter this old dress.
The birds and mice altered the dress for busy Cinderella, but the jealous stepsisters tore the gown into rags.
Don't cry, Cinderella. I'm your fairy godmother.
Fairy godmother changed the pumpkin into a beautiful coach. Next, her wand transformed 4 mice into white horses. Cinderella's rags became a gown complete with glass slippers. The prince fell in love with her, but at midnight, Cinderella fled. As the duke sought the girl with the slipper, the cruel cat Lucifer kept the mice from freeing Cinderella. The stepsisters tried to wear the slipper, but failed.
It won't fit.
Free at last.
Cinderella tried on the slipper. It fit. She married her prince, as the happy mice looked on.